Hello, today we are going to talk about how to export a list of your website pages in HubSpot CMS. This is a common request, something that you need to do if you are making a list of pages for somebody to check. Maybe you're doing a site migration and you want to keep track of who's been working on what, or maybe you just know that it's time where you need to go through and reevaluate all your content, do a little cleanup, and you want to have that list handy in an Excel sheet or a Google Sheet or some other format. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your settings, and then down on the side, go under website settings and then your domain and URLs. And up here under that domain and URLs section, there is a Sitemap tab. So if you hop into that Sitemap tab, sometimes it'll default you to your staging site. You can pick your primary domain, and this includes all of your website pages. If you click the View XML file, it will open up and it will show you your XML file here. If you are submitting your XML sitemap to Google, which you should be, these are all of the pages that are included in it. So if you're seeing anything on here that does not look legit and you don't want to send to Google, what you need to do is back in this sitemap area, you can go through and you can remove certain pages. So sometimes you'll see test pages in here, old blog posts, landing pages for events that should have been taken down. You can take those right out with that remove tool. That page is still on your CMS, still live on your site, but it is removed from the sitemap that you're submitting to Google. So when you have that XML list like this, you're going to want to copy it. You're going to want to paste it into your spreadsheet. And then it's pretty easy. We can delete that one. Some of these can be removed pretty easy, but here we have this LOC and then the closing LOC tag. So if we select all, we're going to find and replace. We're going to find LOC. We are going to replace it all with nothing. 103 instances removed. Then we're going to find the closing tag. Place. There we go. So that's cleaned up all our URLs. Then all you need to do here is give it a little sort. Most of this is junk right off the bat. Also junk. And then once you get those out of the way, you are left with your website pages. Just like that. So now what we can do is pop in here. Maybe we have a couple columns. Maybe we're going to do a check. Has this one been checked? Is it updated? And you have your sheet that you can work with. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.